Today we're gonna learn how to make a book divider. Very easy and simple pattern to use. You will find the written pattern and the details in my blog post, which I will link in the description box. Okay, so to start my pattern, I will make a slip knot as usual. If you are new to crochet and you're not sure how to make a slip knot, I'll link a video in the description box on how to make it slowly for beginners. Here I will chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I will join with a slip knot, with a slip stitch onto the first chain where I started. So I have here 1 round. Now I will chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and I'll join onto the first stitch, the first chain here to make a circle. Now we're gonna work around this small circle. We will chain 1 and we will make 10 single crochet inside the circle. So I'll insert my hook inside my small circle and then start working my single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I have my 10 single crochet around the circle and I have my loop here, and I'll join with a slip stitch onto the first chain 1. Now I'm gonna form my first flower, which is I'll chain 1, then I'll do 1 double crochet, 1 treble, 1 double, and slip stitch, and I will repeat the same 4 more times. So I'll chain 1. This is the beginning of the row only, we don't do it in every petal. I'll make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 treble, in the same stitch, 1 double, again in the same stitch, and then I will slip stitch in the next stitch. Now I have my first petal completed. I will do the same with the next stitch. So one stitch I have done my first petal, and one stitch I have done a slip stitch to close the petal. Now onto excuse me, onto my next one. One double crochet, one treble, and one double crochet, and slip stitch in the next stitch, like so. So for all the details, how to make a double crochet, how to make a treble, and how to make a magic loop, you will find the information in the description box or the links of the videos if you are new to all this. I'll continue the same. In the next stitch, one double crochet, one treble, another double, all in the same stitch, and in the next stitch, slip stitch. This is 3 completed. I will just finish the first petal, then come back to show you how to do the rest. So here I have total of 5 petals which I have done. And then what I'm gonna do next, total of 7 more times. I'm gonna chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 1, 2, 3, okay, in 1, 2, 3, in the third chain from the hook, I will join to form a circle, the same as we did previously. So this is my next circle where I'm gonna work my next flower. So here again I will start with chaining 1 and 10 single crochet in the circle. Here I have my second circle. Now I'm gonna work my petal here. And as I said, we will do the same for 7 more times. So I should have 7 petals at the end of my work. So here I have finished my 7 flowers bookmark, and then I will repeat what I have done here. I'm gonna chain 10 and then join all together to finish off my pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And I will join to close this loop, okay, and I'll fasten off, and then later on I can hide my thread or cut it just to make it neater. And this is our bookmark completed. We'll see how we can use it. This is the book I'm reading for now, and just to stop where I'm reading. So this is how it is. So this is a good idea if you want to make a gift or for yourself and something special. There are a lot of patterns in the internet. I hope you like it and you find it easy to follow. Let me know what you think. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.